Hello guys, this is the fourth video on Java Swing tutorial, and in this video we will discuss on Java Swing components. So in previous video we will discuss on JLabel, which is used for to display text and images. So now in this video we will discuss the next component is JTextField, which is used for user inputs. So which allows the user to enter single line text. It's perfect for forms like login or search. So for creating its object, we use its JTextField class and create its object, and then add this text field component into JFrame, and also we set its position using setBond. Okay, so now we'll discuss second component, I will discuss the third component is JButton, which is used for action trigger. So JButton is clickable button. When clicked, it performs an action such as submit a form or open a file. So for creating its object, we use JButton class and creates a object and then add into JFrame. Okay, and also we set it bond for to set position in JFrame. So now I will discuss with programming. So I switch to Eclipse IDE. So here, firstly, we create JFrame, its object, its set its layout is null, set its size, close button is activate, and this frame is visible. So now I want to create a JText field. So using JText field class, we create a text field using new keyword. Okay, and give its range 20, and then okay, so here I create a new JText field object which name is text. Okay, now I set its position on JFrame. So access its set bond method. Okay, so select the 4-parameter set bond method. Firstly, give its position. So 75. I give its position 75. Its int y is also I give 75. Its width is 160 and height is 30. Okay, so now I add this in JFrame using add method. So add this text field component. Okay, so now I check this JText field is successfully set. Okay, so here our JText field is import at this position. Okay, now I want to create one more component is JButton. So firstly, I create JButton using JButton class. Give the reference BT using new keyword. I create a new button. Okay, and give the name of this button is submit. Okay, and import this button. Import its class, and then I set it bond dot access set bond method and use the 4-parameter. So I use the first parameter is 80, second parameter is 90, third parameter is button size is 100. Okay, and its height is 50. Okay, and then add this button into our frame, JFrame, using add components. Okay, so now I add JText field and JButton in our JFrame, and most important, JFrame's layout is null, then this set bond is affected. Okay, so now I save this and run this application. Okay, so in this way our button is created here. So I want to set its position very properly. So I close this and increase its high int y value. Okay, and reduce its height. Okay, so now in this way our button and JText field is import in our JFrame.